Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. So today we are going to start a new lesson of semester 2. So I hope you have enjoyed your holidays, your examination, everything. Now let's move to our English class. So today we are going to learn a very nice poem. Poem is about my school. Please open page number 6. So before learning this, we will read it once. This poem, My School, is written by whom? Martin Dashnicki. Martin Dashnicki. So let's read it once. I really like my school and just want to say that's where I spend most of my day. Countless activities I get to do. For arts and crafts, I always use glue. During math class, I learn to add and subtract. 10 times 10 equals 100. That's an absolute fact. One of my favorite classes is fun and called gym. I can nearly touch that basketball rim. I also enjoy learning difficult words to spell. My ears are programmed for that school bell. I really like my school and just want to say I am always excited for the very next day. So here is a boy who is explaining why he loves his school, what all he does in his school, like all of you. So let's see what all he does in his school. First of all, he is saying that I really like my school. The boy is saying that he really likes his school and just wants to say, he wants to say what? That's where I spend most of my day. Where? In his school. He spends most of his time in his school. That's where I spend most of my day. He spends most of his day in his school. That's why he really likes his school. Countless activities I get to do. The boy is saying that he gets to do countless activities. Now let's see, what does this word mean? Countless means too many to count, that you cannot count easily. Too many to count. Absolute means complete, perfect. Excited means feeling very happy, enthusiastic and looking forward to. So this boy is saying that he gets to do countless activities in his school. Countless means too many to count. He gets to do many things in his school. For arts and crafts, I always use glue. One of his activities doing arts and crafts. And what does he use? He uses glue whenever he is doing some arts or crafts activity. During math class, I learn to add and subtract. 10 times 10 equals 100. That's an absolute fact. Now tell me, kids, what do you learn in your maths class? What do you learn in your maths class? You learn how to add, subtract, multiply, divide and many other things. You learn many things in maths class. For example, this boy is saying that what all he learns in his maths class. He is saying that during maths class, he gets to learn how to add, how to subtract. He gets to know how to add, how to subtract. 10 times 10 equals 100. That's an absolute fact. The boy is telling one of the things he knows, that 10 times 10 equals 100. 10 times 10. 10 times 10. 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is equal to what? 100. And that's an absolute fact. That is an absolute fact. Absolute means complete, perfect. So this boy gets to learn these all things in his maths class, in his school. One of my favorite classes is fun and called gym. I can nearly touch that basketball rim. One of his favorite classes. You all have one of your favorite classes, right? For example, some of you might like art class, some of you might like craft class or maths class, English class or Hindi class. So this boy's favorite class is what? Fun. It is a fun class and it is called as gym. So basically gym is his favorite class. Why? Because it is fun for him. It is very fun to be in gym class. I can nearly touch that basketball rim. Now that boy is explaining that it is difficult for him to touch the basketball rim. But still he enjoys playing it. And his favorite class is what? Gym. I enjoy learning difficult words to spell. My ears are programmed for that school bell. The boy is saying that he enjoys learning difficult words to spell. He likes to learn difficult words, which are words that are difficult to spell, and his ears are programmed for that school bell. I really like my school and just want to say I am always excited for the very next day. Now see here, the boy is saying that I really like my school. Like he was saying in the beginning, he likes his school and he just wants to say that school is the place where he spends most of his day. So here again he is saying that he likes his school and he just wants to say. Now he wants to say that he is always excited in school because he gets to do many countless activities, many different kinds of classes. He gets to learn maths and then he also enjoys his gym class. He likes to learn difficult words which are difficult to spell. So these all activities keep him excited. That's why he is very much excited for the very next day. As soon as he goes home, he is again excited to go back to school. So this is why this boy loves his school. He really likes his school because this is the place, school is the place where he spends most of his day. Then he gets to do countless activities there. For example, arts, craft, where he uses glue. Then he gets to learn how to add, subtract in his maths class. Then he also enjoys his gym class and sports class. Then he also likes to learn words which are difficult to spell. So that is why he is always excited to go back to school the very next day. So again I will repeat, this poem is written by Martin Desznicki. So here we learned 3 new words like countless, absolute and excited. Countless means too many to count. Absolute means complete and perfect. Excited means feeling very happy and enthusiastic and looking forward to. So this was about this poem called My School. So this is our first poem of second semester. I hope you loved it. I hope you liked it and I hope you will learn it very nicely. So we will meet in next class. We will solve the exercise related to this poem. So what you have to do, you need to read this poem and you need to revise this poem, which is written by whom? Martin Desznicki. So this poem is on page number 6. So we will meet in next class. Till then, take care.